Music enthusiasts of West Jaintia Hills District came together to celebrate the World Music Day on Friday at the District Library Auditorium, Minthong, Jawai, with free entry for all attendees. The celebration featured performance by several local artists and bands from various schools and colleges. There was also a lively entertainment presented by Chiyung. The event was also exhibited the traditional musical instruments and a fashion show blending traditional and fusion style.